Hi students, welcome back to our new session. In previous session we have studied about BPT and converse of BPT, and we have solved sums based on BPT and converse of BPT. So today we learn about criteria for similarity of triangles. In previous classes you have studied about different criteria for congruency. For example, S, A, S, A, S, AS and AAS, RHS. We have studied in previous classes about congruency, criteria of congruency. Those are SSS, ASA, SAS, AAS, etc. In this chapter, in this 10th class, we study about different criteria for similarities. So let us start first with AAA criteria of similarity. What is AAA criteria of similarity? So for example, let us take two triangles, triangle ABC, and another triangle is, let us take DEF. Okay, so let us take angles 60, 80, and this is 40 degrees, and here I am taking 80 and 60, and let us take this is 40 and this is 60 degrees. So let us take two triangles, and for example these three angles, angle A is 40 and angle B is 60 and angle C is 80. So are these two triangles are similar? Check either similar or not. So angle A is equal to angle F, and angle B is equal to angle D, and angle C is equal to angle E. Corresponding angles are equal in these two triangles. So if in two triangles corresponding angles are equal, if corresponding angles are equal, then corresponding sides are proportional, hence the two triangles are similar. Okay, so we can write that corresponding angles are given here, so corresponding sides are proportional. So AB by FD is equal to BC by DE is equal to AC by FE. Means triangle ABC is similar to triangle FDE. Okay, here we cannot write that ABC is similar to DEF. We have to write the corresponding parts. AB is corresponding to FD, BC is corresponding to DE, and AC is corresponding to FE, because angle A is equal to angle F, and angle B is equal to angle D, and angle C is equal to angle E. This is AAA criteria of similarity. Why? Because if corresponding angles are equal, then automatically corresponding sides are proportional. Note down this. Next, SSS criteria of similarity. Look here, SSS, side, side, side. So let us take any two triangles again as usual. Let us take P, Q, R. Another triangle is X, Y, Z. I'm taking two triangles. So here I'm taking PQ is 3 centimeters and this is 6 centimeters, and this is for example I'm taking, not exact values. Okay, for example I'm taking 3, 6, 8, and let us take this is 4.5, 4.5, this is 9 centimeters, and this is 12 centimeters. If you observe, for example, I took the two triangles PQR and XYZ. In these two triangles, are they corresponding sides in the same ratio? Check that. I'm taking that PQ by XY. PQ by XY. How much? 3 by 4.5. That is 30 by 45. 2 by 3. And what about QR by YZ? QR by YZ. QR is 6 centimeters and YZ is 9. So 2 by 3. 3 2s are 3 3s are. And PR by XZ is equal to, PR by XZ is equal to how much? 8 by 12. That is 4 2s are 4 3s are. If you observe, corresponding sides are in the same ratio, means corresponding sides are proportional. If in any two triangles corresponding sides are proportional, then automatically corresponding angles are equal. Hence, the two triangles are similar. Okay, how to write the similarity condition for this case? Okay, so can we write directly triangle PQR is similar to triangle XYZ? Is this correct? Yes. Why? Because PQ is corresponding to XY and QR is corresponding to YZ and PR is corresponding to XZ. So this is correct. In exam they may ask for 1 mark. They'll give the its figure and write the similarity condition. Write the similarity condition. Then you have to ready. Okay. So this is the SSS criteria of similarity. Next criteria is SAS. Let us take 2 examples. Criteria is SAS. I am taking 2 triangles. Let us take A, B, C and D of 2 triangles. In this angle B, I am taking, let us take 50 degrees, and angle E is 50 degrees, and AB is 2 centimeters, and this one 4 centimeters, and this is 4 centimeters, and this one is 8 centimeters. Okay, if you observe in these 2 triangles, one angle B is equal to angle E. Angle B is equal to angle E, and AB is corresponding to D and BC is corresponding to EF. How we can say that? See, in any two triangles, one angle is equal to one angle of other triangle. Okay, and including sides. So what are the including sides here? AB and BC, here DE and EF. So AB by DE is equal to AB by DE is equal to BC by EF. Okay, that is equal to how much? 2 by 4 is equal to, this is 4 by 8, that is equal to 1 by 2. The ratio is same. AB by DE is 1 by 2, BC by EF also 1 by 2, and angle B is equal to angle E. Angle B is equal to angle E. Here keep in mind that those sides must be included sides. Included sides means we cannot take, suppose this 4 centimeter is not here and 8 centimeter is not here. Suppose if we take the here 4 and 8, are they similar? No. these triangles are not similar. Why? Because these sides, corresponding sides, must be including sides. So 4 centimeter if I take here and 8 centimeters here, then only those two triangles are similar. How to write the similarity condition? First one we can write as usual, triangle ABC is similar to triangle, and see, AB is corresponding to DE. So AB is corresponding to DE and BC is corresponding to EF. So B is corresponding to E, C is corresponding to F. One angle of one triangle is equal to one angle of another triangle, and the sides must be included sides. Must be included sides means that angle must be those two sides. The angle must be these two sides. They are also between these two sides. Then only these two triangles are similar. So we have studied about AA criteria, SSS and SSS. These three criteria are very important. Note down this.